namaskar to the respected teachers, coordinators, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's me, Praneet Verma from grade 6A2, and today I want to talk about a big issue that affects all of us: climate change. Climate change is a problem which is becoming more and more serious, and we need to understand what's happening and what we can do about it. But first, we need to know what is climate change. Climate change refers to the environmental and weather conditions of the earth. It is mainly caused by deforestation, greenhouse gases, industrial pollution, and natural causes. So, you might be wondering why we should care about it. You see, climate change isn't a problem of the future. It affects us right now. So, what do you think? How can we reduce its effects? We can reduce its effects by making small changes in our daily lives, by planting trees, using environmental and biodegradable products, and many more things. So, let's commit to making these changes in our daily lives to save Earth and make it a greener and brighter place for the future. Thank you.